Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, today we're looking at the Papercraft Society box number 31. This one is called Mindful Moodling and it's by the lovely Lou Withers. So here we go. This is the lovely box and I just think the box itself is beautiful. The designs that Lou has done is lovely and it's in connection with the Mental Health UK. So my box, normally it comes with a little bit of a Velcro dot there to keep the lid closed. My one didn't have one on it, but usually it does. So inside the box it says, "Take your mind for a stroll," from Lou. And the wallet that we get the products, some of our products in, has mindful moodling on the outside. I love this. I think it's so cool. We get some tissue paper with other goodies and I'm going to leave that for a minute. We'll come back to that in a while. Okay, so inside our wallet, which does have a little Velcro dot, we have some sentiments. The first sentiment says, "Don't forget to share your makes with us, hashtag Papercraft Society." The next one is, "Lose yourself in colour, then free the inner artist and live life like a rainbow." So our wallet generally comes with some stamps and dies, but this month we have 2 stamps and these are lovely. There are some large images, really large images and really lovely images on the 2 stamp sets. I'm going to put them on an A4 piece of cardstock so you can actually see all the different images on them. And I love these bubbles or rings or O's, whatever you want to call them. They're so cool. We also have these long stamps here as well with images in them. That's the same as, you know, the images throughout the 2 stamp sets. This is a really large stamp as well, which is great for doing around a piece of cardstock or paper. And we have some sentiments inside as well. We have "Sent with love" there at the top and "Smile." We have a leaf, we have some round images and this big round one. And some of the images in this are on the long thin strip stamps that's there on the left. So a great selection of stamps for us to use in our card making or scrapbooking, whatever we're going to be using this for. So next let's look at the middle wallet. So we get 2 stencils. You can see them here. I'm just pulling them out to have a look. One is a large size one and it looks like droplets falling down, and the other one has got 2 kind of styles and they're kind of wavy. I think these are so cool. I was thinking even you could snip the bits between the wavy parts there on the right and you could use it as like sand or the ocean water. But no, these are great and I do love having stencils in my stash. So we get 2 nice large stencils as well. We get a page of sentiments and there's lots of sentiments on this page. Live in colour, sent with love, lose yourself in colour, smile, free the inner artist. Lovely. And they all look as if they're not just, you know, block stamped ones, but handwritten ones. We get a number of beautiful pattern papers as well. There's 10 designer papers and these are bespoke papers created by Lou and they're digitally reproduced for us. So we will never have to run out because you can download more from Craftworld. And don't forget that when you get your Papercraft Society box, you can download the papers so you don't run out. I love that. I think it's brilliant. So there are beautiful 10 pattern papers, our stamps and our stencils that we get inside the wallet. So let's have a look now and see what's inside the box in our tissue paper. And normally the tissue paper, the products are wrapped in the tissue paper, but this is how my products came this month, with the tissue paper just kind of set around it, which I love because it means I can use this better. You know, normally there would be a sticker on it and I'd end up tearing it, and so this way I'm going to get more use, I think, out of the tissue paper. I dropped my little paintbrush out of the box, so I was just finding that. Okay, so we have the book. I'll go through that in a minute. In the meantime, let's have a look. We get 2 bottles of watercolor ink as well as the paintbrush. We get a little cube of the Papercraft Society ink. This is a black color and it's really good. I love the Papercraft Society ink. We get this little loop here. I thought this was a keychain or something, but it is actually for some of our stencils that we get inside, as well as our sticker sheets. So these are a pack of 3 stencils or templates, whatever you'd like to call them. They're stencils that are really versatile. There's shapes in each of the 3 of them that we need to just pop out, and we can create elements for our moodling, as Lou likes to say. And she has some ideas there. Emma has some ideas on page 20 in the booklet, so if you're interested in seeing those, there's so much info in the booklet and inspiration in there as well. So we get one which is like a round one, we get one which is like a teardrop shape, and I'm just looking at them here. They're really, really cool. The third one is kind of an oval kind of shapes as well, and I have mine all here on my little key ring, and I have taken the little pieces that have fallen out and popped them into one of the Ziploc bags that my ink bottles came in. Popped a little hole on that as well, so it's on my little loop. The little paintbrush feels lovely and soft. It has nice rubber around the barrel of the brush, which I think will be great if you're doing watercoloring. And then inside we get a number of watercolor sheets. As far as I'm aware, there's 8 sheets of watercolor cardstock for your moodling. I love that. I love that, Lou. Moodling. It's going to be my new word. What's the dog doing over there? Oh, he's just moodling. What are you doing, Simone? Looking out the window. Oh, I'm just moodling in my mind. I love it. Anyway, I digress. The watercolor cardstock is really, really good. It feels lovely to the touch. These sticker sheets have got little like die cut out ovals on one sheet, and there's circles on the other, so you can use that on, we'll say, your cards. You can put down your circles, do your watercoloring over it, and when it's dry, pull them up, and then you have these spaces that haven't been colored in. So I love that idea. So it's like a mask you can use them for. The book inside on page 7 tells us exactly what's come inside our box. So I was having a good look at that there just to see what the templates were and the connector ring, because I thought it was a key ring. And it was only after reading it I realized. So it's always good to read through what's inside the box. And just a reminder, down there at the bottom, it says look out for the email telling you all about an exclusive craft along with Lou. You can also download all the pattern papers and many more designs created just for you by Lou. So you can go to craftworld.com, Papercraft Society, for that. Then the rest of the book is all inspirational cards, etc., that you can make with the different designers in the Craft Stash group, as well as a couple of adverts. But I'm not going to go through that too much with you, because I know a lot of you like to kind of look through the book yourself. So that's it. That's everything that comes inside this wonderful Papercraft Society box number 31 by Lou. I love the name that they have on it, Mindful Moodling, and I hope you enjoy your box when you get yours. So I'm going to leave you with an image of what came inside my box, and I'll leave links down below to Craft Stash so you can have a look and see if there's any on their website. Generally, when all the subscriptions have gone out, if there's any left over, they put them up on the website for sale. So maybe you might like to just get this one box. So have a look down below, and I'll leave a little note to let you know if it is still available. So that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.